Today in this video I show you how to use Grammarly. For this you have to open Chrome browser. Now click on search and search Grammarly. Open Grammarly website. Now to get Grammarly benefits inside Chrome browser, you have to click on apps and install Grammarly for Chrome browser. You can also get Grammarly for Windows, iOS and Android. Click on install. Now your Grammarly will install and a page will open like this, in which you have to click on add to Chrome or enable now and then go back to Grammarly. Now you can click on extension icon and whenever you want to use it inside a site, tap on Grammarly. Enable the Grammarly toggle for website. Now you can also use Grammarly website for making documents. Choose if you want to create new document or upload it. After uploading the document, you will get AI chat that you can use in writing. And if you click on this, all your writing improvements and grammar mistakes will show like this. Now you can fix your writing mistakes by this accept or going to the word that has red underline and fix it like this. You can improve your writing grammar and clarity. Now if you go back, all your Grammarly writing documents will show like this and you have the option to download it for easy access or delete it by moving it to the trash if you no longer need it. Now you also have accounts or settings options to change anything you want. Now to use Grammarly on a different website, just open that site and make sure Grammarly is enabled for that website. Now you can see if I use Grammarly inside Gmail by typing a mail, then Grammarly will offer valuable suggestions to help me improve my writing. And you can also click on this icon to improve your writing using variety of options. So this is how you can use Grammarly. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.